This is the Javan mud snake, also called the dragon snake. It gets the name the dragon snake for obviously very good reason. It has kind of 3 rows of raised scales running down its entire body, giving it kind of the appearance of a mythical dragon, which is super cool. It's most commonly found in Java, but also in a couple other places like Sumatra and Borneo, as well as Myanmar and Thailand. They're non-venomous and typically very, very shy. They're described as semi-fossorial, meaning they are partially burrowing snakes, but they don't live entirely underground. They are nocturnal, and their diet subsists mainly of tadpoles, small frogs, and small fish. They are solitary and, again, are incredibly shy and rarely seen. Now, unfortunately for herpetologists and snake and other reptile enthusiasts, these guys do incredibly poorly in captivity. Unfortunately for reptile enthusiasts, these guys are very, very, very not good at being kept in captivity. Some attempts have made, but they do not survive very long in captivity, so nobody keeps them except for a couple extremely experienced herpetologists who have had success keeping like one in captivity, but they need an incredibly specific setup with an incredibly specific diet and everything, so it really is not worth keeping them in captivity, and fortunately they are very common in Java, so there's no real conservation efforts needed, because if they were, captive breeding would likely not be the way to go in this case, since they just do not do well in captivity at all.